Hello everyone, it's Amy and welcome back for Market Monday. Today we have a kit from the craft outlet. So these are craft supplies from the craft stores, and the kits are $20. My email address is below. If you are interested, send me an email. Don't leave a message on YouTube because they don't come in order. So if you send me an email, I will let you know if there is one left, and you can pay at that time. Again, it's $20. That includes the shipping. And so let's see what we have here. So these are little, they have a little brad in each end to hook them onto your project. And this one is a circle with kind of a, maybe like a burlap type or maybe even a wicker type top. So there is a round one. And then these ones are white with kind of a fabric type. I don't know what you would call this, but it's woven on there. And so those are round. This does not have an eyelet. This is just like a round frame. It doesn't say that they are sticky on the back, so I think that you glue them on. It says they're acid-free and archival safe, and there are 3 in there. And in this one, there's also 3. So, and then we have a square one, which is again the white type of weaving, and there are 3 in that one. And these are all acid-free and archival safe. We do have a round one that has the eyelet on each end. And it does have a hole in the center. So you can put it on top of your project, hook it in with a brad, and put something behind it. And then we have a flower. And this one does not have the eyelets on it. And these are flowers, and that is the white woven material also. So there are those, and then we have this. It says it's a cookie and cake stencil, but you don't have to use it for cookies and cake. But that just does mean that it would be food safe. And it's, yes, it says food safe plastic on there. So it makes this design, so it's kind of like a label that you can stencil onto your project and stamp in it or write in the center. And then we have a larger one with a little bit of a different shape. And again, this is a stencil. So, and then we have this from Stamperia, decorative chips, it says. This is like chipboard, and these punch out. So there's a little hummingbird, and it says spring. And then there is a large hummingbird, along with some flower buds in these 4 sizes. Oh, 5 down there. So, and those just punch out of the background. And then remember, when you punch these out, you could also, if you wanted, it would just be like a silhouette, but you could use that, the areas where you punched it out, as a stencil also. And then we have these. This is called magic paper, and this is, you can embroider it on to something, and then I'm thinking that once you do that, yes, you dissolve the paper with water. So once you put this on your project, you stitch it all on, which are just the little cross stitches, so it's just an X. And then if you get the paper wet, the paper disappears. And the designs here are this musical, whatever that is. And then we've got some music notes, and we've got a guitar. And then we have some metallic thread, kind of in a greenish and goldish color. Oh, it says made in the USA. I was wondering if it gave me a... Let me put my glasses on. Nope, it just says Kerwink Metallics Tapestry Braids. It does not, it says it's 10 meters. It doesn't give an actual color, but so we have that, and it's very quite sparkly. And then we have another one of the magic papers, and again, this is to you can stitch on top of this, and it's got a heart, solid heart, and then it has these little hearts, Paris, and the Eiffel Tower. And then we have this Magic Papers, and this one has a butterfly and a beetle and another beetle and a bee and a dragonfly and like a ladybug. So those are the designs in there, and then these are the sizes. This is, you know, just to show you which ones are underneath here. And then we have this 3D, a cut and emboss in one step. So this cuts out this strip and also embosses it at the same time. And it's kind of like, looks like it's kind of like flowers. I actually haven't tried mine yet. I should have before I started, but I didn't. So it cuts and it embosses, and this is by Sizzix, called a 3D Impresslets. Then we have these alphabet stickers. There are 4 sheets, and this is what they look like. This has a seahorse on the A and a flower, and I'm not sure, that kind of almost looks like a diamond shape in there too. But so that's what those all look like, and there are 4 sheets of those. So it goes through the alphabet. I'm not exactly sure what's here. Okay, there's all of the alphabet: M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And then it has a few little extras there. Looks like some little seahorses, a flamingo, a couple of ice cream cones. So that is what's there. And then finally the last one is this by Dough Crafts by Permania, and this is geometric. It's called Geometric Mocha, and it says Dream, and this is a stencil, and it's an adhesive stencil, so this will stick to your project while you're stenciling, and then you peel it off, and it's like a rubbery type plastic. And then we've got this zigzag design, and then this one has got dots, and like the little arrows. So that's what's in this kit. Again, it's $20. PayPal, please. If you're interested, send me an email, and I will let you know if I have any left, and you can pay at that time. So thank you very much for stopping by. I really do appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope that you all have an outstanding day. Bye-bye.